Good morning, students. I am Rajendra sir. Today I am going to teach you about network components. Dear students, in session 7, our topics today network components. Unit 1, part first. That means network components part first. Okay. Class 9, subject IT, computer. Today is our lecture number 35, 17th of July 2020. Dear students, our mobile number 7631645682. Okay, now come to the point. Today is our topic network component part first. In a computer networks, you can gain knowledge of about server, client, network interface card, mode of connection, a modem. Okay, in a network components, in a computers, today's network components part first. Network component divided into server, client, network interface card, mode of connection and modems. ये सारे टॉपिक के बारे में आज को जानना है. ओके, तो इन नेटवर्क कंपोनेंट्स our first topic part first, server. Number 2, client. Number 3, network interface card. Network interface card. Fourth, mode of connection. Five, modem. Now repeat again. In a network components में आपको पढ़ना है सर्वर के बारे में, क्लाइंट के बारे में, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड के बारे में, मोड ऑफ कनेक्शन एंड मोडेम. ओके, आई थिंक आर यू वेल अंडरस्टैंड्स network components topic: server, client, network interface card, mode of connection and modem. These are network components. What is the name of network components? Server, client, network interface card, mode of connection and modem. Okay, now first of all I have to teach you about server. A server is a powerful computer. You already know in our previous class about server. Okay, server is a powerful computer with high speed and great processing capability. There can be multiple server in a network. In a computer network, server can link other computers or electronic device together to provide important service to both private and public users. Servers is another name of server, host. सर्वर को ही हम लोग होस्ट भी कहते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू एंटर ए क्वेरी इन ए सर्च इंजन, जब आप सर्च इंजन में किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को सर्च करते हैं, व्हेन यू एंटर ए क्वेरी इन ए सर्च इंजन, the query is sent from your computer over the internet to the servers that store all the relevant web page. The result are then sent back by the server to your computer. It is always advisable to have servers with dedicated functionality such as web server, print server and database server. Okay, so best answer, server is the main computer, server is the powerful computer. Okay, server is just like your principal of your school, server is just like manager. Okay, now more about server. A server is a powerful computer. A server, first is server. Okay, first server. A server is a powerful computer. A server is a powerful computer with high speed 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 and great processing capabilities. There can be multiple servers in a computer network. Server can link together. Server can link other computers or electronic device devices together to provide important services to both private and public 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 users, okay. A server is also known as a server is also known as host, host, host. Okay, my dear students, this is the network component part first. Okay, a server is a powerful computer with high speed and great processing capability. There can be multiple servers in a computer network. Server can link other computer or electronic devices together to provide important services to both private and public users. A server is also known as host. Okay, next video